I buy this particular token right here at this particular price, which is 100 USDT right now, and then I get this amount of this specific token right here. I come straight to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger, which is this one right here, and I click on trade right here on this particular place. I select the same cryptocurrency, I click on sell right here. I literally go ahead and sell out all the particular cryptocurrency right here. So take a look at the particular profit right here. I earn 175 USDT as profit right now from this particular single process right here while trading on spot trading. So I buy it on this particular exchanger, which is gauge.io right here at this specific price right now, which is the current market price right here that this particular token is selling right now on gauge.io in spot trading. And then I go ahead to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger right here. I sell it out at this specific price right here. Take a look at it. So the liquidity on this particular market is high. Everything right here give me approximately 175 profit right here. Take a look at it right here on your screen. So don't get it twisted, don't get worried right here. Listen attentively so that I can explain everything, how I did all this and how I literally see or spot this particular arbitrage opportunity on spot trading right here. Normally this best cryptocurrency trading right here using gauge.io right here and a specific cryptocurrency right now, which is MEXC. Yes, so I've been doing this for a while. I literally end up making such amount of money right here on my Binance account right now. Let me show you. So with all this particular method, take a look at my Binance wallet right here. I've literally earned this sum of amount of money, but this one did not really guarantee you will make exact amount of money. But listen carefully, this is actually a disclaimer. I'm not advising you to literally follow this particular step that yes, this is a come quick rich business. No, please make sure you reach the amount you are able to lose or gain. Okay, so now in this particular scenario, I would advise you to literally go ahead and follow this particular step with caution, because right now I'll be guiding you through step by step on how you can do all these very easy and simple step. Okay, but that do not literally means that I'm giving you guarantee that yeah, this particular method will work out for you just exact way that it literally work out for me. Okay, so just bear it in mind that I'm not responsible for all your losses and your gain right here. You know, this actually a disclaimer because this is actually a financial content. Now let me just begin and show you step by step. So just go straight to your arbitrage scanner right here. Here is your arbitrage scanner right now. Here is your arbitrage scanner right now. So the arbitrage scanner look just like this right here. You just have to go ahead and sign up on this particular arbitrage scanner. The link will be on the video description. You can just get a free trial on a daily basis right here, okay, if you use my link. And then you can literally go ahead and contact their customer support just by clicking on get free trial right here. So when you click on it, you will literally be directed to join that Telegram handle right here, and then you follow the process right now. Take a look at it, how I literally get my own free 24 hours trial right here for me to try this particular arbitrage scanner out. Okay, so I literally buy a plan right here. That's what enable me to literally spot any particular arbitrage opportunity with this specific method that I'm literally going to share with you right now. So now that you literally know that you can literally buy 1 month plan, 6 month plan, even 1 year plan right here. But if you are using my referral link, or probably if you are using the link on the video description or in the pinned comment right there, you get discount out of all this. Now all you just have to do is just for you to go ahead and click on this particular side and then click on arbitrage product. Then just go ahead and click on this arbitrage scanner. Immediately you have just go ahead and get your plan successfully, and then just go ahead and click on arbitrage scanner right here. You found this particular thing where it says spot scanner. Then just go ahead and click on template right here. Because you're a newbies, you just have to go ahead and click on top 30, top 300 coin. Yes, because you will also see that. Okay, now just go ahead and scroll down right here. You'll be seeing a lot of cryptocurrency changing on and on. Okay, so every 30 seconds right here, just take a look at it. Every 30 seconds, this particular place right here will be changing cryptocurrency time to time, and all this particular cryptocurrency, they are be selling in this particular cryptocurrency exchanger at a low price, and in the other exchanger it is selling at a higher price right here. So in this particular arbitrage scanner, this is what literally enable me to spot the particular arbitrage opportunity. I will not call it arbitrage opportunity because this one right here is just the best way to trade spot trading in any of the cryptocurrency exchanger at all. That's what I'm literally using right here. So with this, you have the full opportunity to literally win right here or make a lot of profit while trading cryptocurrency on spot trading in any of the cryptocurrency at all. Now this way I literally spot the particular arbitrage opportunities. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you step by step on how I did it. Yes, I literally spot it and I go straight to the gauge.io. I go ahead and search the particular token right here on the search engine right now. You must see the cryptocurrency, but check the particular cryptocurrency with any of the USDT that you literally have right here. Me myself, I'm using 100 USDT right here, and then you have the particular token worth of 100 USDT. Go ahead and click on asset right here, then just go ahead and click on withdraw right here. The best best thing about this is that you must see it will not be suspended. So let's check it out. Click on on-chain withdrawal right here, click on search of the particular cryptocurrency right here. Okay, so take a look at the cryptocurrency. It is available, it is not suspended. Now go ahead and check the network right here. It is only it is only Ethereum, which charges 0.9 USDT as the network fee. Okay, so now that you are in this particular step, so just go straight to the other cryptocurrency exchange that the particular token is selling high, which is this one right now. So just go straight to the wallet again, then go ahead and click on deposit right here, click on chain deposit in this particular place, then also search for the particular cryptocurrency again. So take a look at it. It's also the same right here. So take a look at it right here. Just go ahead and copy the wallet address right here, and then go back to this particular place right now. Go ahead and paste it right here. Okay, so you just go ahead and follow the process. But initially, if this doesn't work or the particular network will not comply with the particular network on the other cryptocurrency exchanger right here, all we just have to do is just for you to turn everything upside down and be trading future trading and spot trading. So in this particular Mexi, where this particular token is selling at this particular price, go to future trading right here. Just go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency just like this, and then just go ahead and fund your account right here on your Mexi, and go straight to your gauge.io where this particular cryptocurrency is selling at a very low price right here. Go ahead and buy it on the spot trading right here on gauge.io where the particular cryptocurrency is selling at the higher price right here, and this price, so purchase it at 100 USDT, then go straight to the particular cryptocurrency exchanger, the other one that is selling high, go straight to the future trading right here. Go ahead and place sell, which is this particular open short. Okay, so open short in your future trading right here with the same amount of 100 USDT, and make sure the leverage is 1x. Make sure the leverage is 1x right here. So this means that if you are losing in this particular place, and you will be profiting in this particular place, and if you are profiting in this particular spot trading, you will be losing in this particular place. But the price differences will keep profit, will keep you in profit. So the price differences right here must keep you in profit. So you will not lose even if the market is going down or the market is going up. You will not lose. We must be in profit. Okay, so this particular ways for you to use to earn money through spot trading or future trading right here. I've actually guide you through step by step on how you can do this. If you like this specific content, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I give you guarantee, not 100% guarantee, because I literally tell you a disclaimer right here, because I don't literally guarantee everything right here, but at least 50% guarantee is sure right here if you follow the particular process. So if you literally want a free trial in that arbitrage scanner where you can monitor the particular cryptocurrency where it's selling at a low price, yes, you can literally let me know in the comment section right here. So I will join this video right here. I will see you in my next video, because I literally want to join the video right here. Bye bye for now. Peace out. I will see you in my next video right now. Repeated it again. Make sure you subscribe, follow, because I normally drop video concerning how to literally make money in cryptocurrency trading or future trading right here. Okay, end of this video right now. Bye.